Welcome, a quick guide to set up your FanDuel account in 60 seconds. Open the FanDuel app or website and tap Sign Up. Enter your name, date of birth, address, and create a strong password. Verify your identity by uploading a photo of your ID and a selfie. Confirm the details and submit. Verification usually completes within minutes. Enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Tap Wallet, choose Deposit, and pick a payment method: card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Enter card details or log into your PayPal or bank, then save securely. Choose an amount, review any fees, and confirm the deposit. Apply any promo code, set deposit limits, and enable responsible play tools. Find a market, tap a selection to add it to your bet slip, enter your stake, and review potential payout. Place the bet, track it live from your bet slip, and play responsibly. Good luck!